Okay, let's take a look at Canara Bank. Okay, firstly, let's plot some trend lines. And as always, we are going to start from our monthly time frame. And right now, in the monthly time frame, I can spot a insider candle or a mother candle. Let me just mark it. As you can see, this mother candle, which was formed in the month of March, the price is still hovering within it. And of course, this is also three white soldiers here. Anyway, next, let's see if we can plot any other trend line. If not, yeah, no. If not, we'll head on to the next part. And as you can see, this range is also an important one. But since I've already covered it with the mother candle, I'm going to forget that. And instead, it is going to mark this one right here. It may or may not be useful. We'll find its relevancy soon in the lower time frame. With that, let's head on to the weekly time frame. Okay. Yeah, like I said, so its relevancy is not much apparent here. But as we can see, price made a low, then a high, then again it hovered in this range. So yeah, this is a significant line here. If it breaks further down, down theory continues. Otherwise, we see a down theory's reversal. All right. With that, let's see if we can plot any other trend lines. How about if we have a trend line like this? No, doesn't make any sense. Let me just change the color and get it off from high time frame, make our charts look neater, and voila. This is a perfect angular trend line and a pretty significant one also as it's stretching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points here. Okay, with that, let's head down to a lower time frame. Unless that is we have, yeah, just one more trend line here. We're going to mark it and make sure it doesn't appear in the unnecessary time frames. Okay, now we're talking. Now let's see the daily time frame. Okay, so this one perfectly works out in the daily time frame. All right. So in daily, I'm in no urgent need of any trend line, but there is one resistance over here. Now this resistance, so ideally what I would like is some resistance to have multiple touch points, but this is a significant one nonetheless, even though it doesn't cover multiple touch points. Now, if I were to have this one you can see it touches my points here, 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 here. Okay, and if we were to go to a lower time frame, I bet we could have one more important trend line over here. Yeah, just we'll head on to the hourly time frame exactly. So this is another trend line which is an important one. Yeah, so that's it. But Canara Bank. See you in the next one.